Hello everyone, it's Yo Ears, so listen up, learn something new, and watch till the end. Here are 10 questions and answers about the human ear. 1. How many parts does the human ear have? The ear has 3 main parts: the outer ear, pinna and ear canal, the middle ear, eardrum and ossicles, and the inner ear, cochlea and semicircular canals. 2. What are the 3 tiny bones in the ear called? The malleus, hammer, incus, anvil, and stapes, stirrup. Together they're called the ossicles, and they're the smallest bones in the human body. 3. Why do ears produce wax? Earwax, cerumen, protects the ear canal by trapping dust, debris, and microorganisms. It also moisturizes the canal skin and has natural antibacterial properties. 4. What causes that ringing sound in your ears? That ringing is called tinnitus. It can be caused by loud noise exposure, ear infections, earwax buildup, certain medications, or age-related hearing loss. It's a symptom, not a condition itself. 5. How does the ear help with balance? The inner ear contains the vestibular system, 3 semicircular canals filled with fluid that detect rotational head movements, plus the otolith organs that sense linear acceleration and gravity. 6. Can ears heal themselves? The outer ear can heal from minor injuries, but damage to the inner ear hair cells, which convert sound vibrations to neural signals, is usually permanent. This is why noise-induced hearing loss is often irreversible. 7. Why do your ears pop on an airplane? The eustachian tube connects the middle ear to the back of your throat and helps equalize air pressure. Rapid altitude changes create pressure differences, and swallowing or yawning opens the tube to equalize it. That's the pop. 8. What is the frequency range of human hearing? Typically 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, 20 kHz, though this range narrows with age. High-frequency hearing loss is common as people get older. 9. How fast do sound signals travel from ear to brain? Incredibly fast. The entire process, from sound waves hitting the eardrum to the brain perceiving the sound, takes roughly 0.01 seconds, 10 milliseconds. 10. Why do ears get worse with age? Presbycusis, age-related hearing loss, occurs because the tiny hair cells in the cochlea gradually degrade over time and don't regenerate. Prolonged exposure to loud noise accelerates this process.